media concerning the Nigerian vlogger who said that a lot of Nigerians travel to the UK, basically. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be sharing with you a quick breakfast recipe that you can have at the comfort of your home without breaking the bank. So today I do not have a lot of ingredients to use. I'll just be using the ingredients I have at home today, which is a quick fix for me. So the first on my list is my diced tomatoes, which I diced off the camera, and I already boiled my egg off camera too. And I have my broccoli, which I already preserved in the freezer. I've used a lot of it, so it's just remaining small. And I have my cabbage, which I already iced previously, also in the freezer. And I have cauliflower, which I already diced and pre-prepped in my freezer. So I'll be using this, and I'll be using butter and bread. Let's dive right into today's video without wasting much of our time. My fork. So some people like to remove their yolk from their egg and do that separately, but like I said, it's nothing serious, so just a very quick fix. So I'll match this thoroughly. So while this is going on, right, guys, I know that people have seen the trend going on social media concerning the Nigerian vlogger who said that a lot of Nigerians travel to the UK, basically to Japa. So there's been a lot of controversy and a lot of people commenting about it. Let me know what you think in the comment section about that discussion. So I won't be talking much about it today in my vlog before people will come for me, but let me know what you think about it. Do you think it's right? Do you think what he did was right? Let me hear your view and what you think you would have done better. Okay, so I have my egg all mashed up now, and I'll go ahead, bring in my tomatoes here, which I'll be using. And take a little of my cauliflower. I'm using this just a little. I'll add more to it. And I'll also be adding my broccoli. I think this is fine. Where's that cabbage? So it's still very much frozen. I'm using more of this. First major prepping, which will not waste time. So if you're doing this, I don't think you should prepare this in max 20 minutes. You're done. So I'll just spread my butter on my bread. Guys, I already poured in my cabbage, broccoli, cauliflower, tomatoes, and my mashed egg in here, and I'll add in a little pepper. At this point, I'll add in the mayonnaise. So now I'll go over to stir this together. I've tried this a couple of times, so I thought to share this with you. Okay, so guys, I'm done mixing. I'll just add this over. Look at the creaminess, that goodness. This is so good. Like, so good. Now add this to the bread. So guys, I'm about to toast this. So I already added a little bit of oil here, and I'll just brush this over. This is to ensure that my bread is not sticky once it's ready. So I just use my brush to do this over the top. So you can use a spray oil, but I don't have spray oil available right now, so I just make do with what I have. You can use a little bit of oil if you have coconut oil or butter. So I use coconut oil for this, just a little. I'll lay this in here. And go over to toast this. So guys, my toast bread is ready. I'll add more to it. Guys, so as not to bore you with the remaining process of my breakfast this morning, so I'll just go ahead to have my toast bread with my mocha. So mocha is a combination of coffee and chocolates. So I'm giving you a new tip today. So a lot of time when you go to big restaurants, this is really very pricey, but I make this at home myself. So it's going to be just a combination of coffee and chocolates, and I'll just add milk to this. And now adding my hot water. Guys, this is really nice. You need to try it. This is really nice. Thanks for sticking to the end. Bye.